Ever wondered how herbs play a significant role in both your kitchen and your health? From elevating your favorite dishes to bolstering your well-being, herbs are nature's little powerhouses. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 essential herbs that you should know about. First on our list is basil, often referred to as the king of herbs. This culinary superstar brings a distinct flavor to meals while contributing to a healthy diet. Beyond the kitchen, basil offers stress relief and anti-inflammatory benefits. Basil truly deserves its royal status, doesn't it? Next up is mint, a refreshing wonder in the herb world. Its vibrant flavor adds a burst of freshness to your meals. Not just a culinary delight, mint also doubles as a remedy for digestive woes and headaches. A sprig of mint can indeed go a long way. Moving on, we have rosemary, a memory-boosting marvel. This fragrant herb elevates any dish with its unique aroma while packing a nutritional punch. Medicinally, it's praised for enhancing memory and focus. Rosemary is an herb that's hard to forget, quite literally. Next in line is parsley, a nutrient powerhouse. Often seen garnishing dishes, parsley's vibrant taste elevates culinary delights. Bursting with nutrients, it improves bone health and bolsters our immune system. Indeed, parsley packs a punch both in flavor and health benefits. Last but not least, we have thyme, an immunity-boosting gem. A culinary delight with an earthy flavor, thyme also packs a punch in the health department, combating bacterial and fungal infections. Thyme is indeed a timeless addition to any kitchen or medicine cabinet. Herbs are indeed small, but mighty. Today we've explored their culinary and medicinal magic, from the king of herbs to the immunity booster. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember, your health and taste buds will thank you for it.